Hello, we're UK Power Networks. We provide and look after the underground cables, overhead power lines and substations that bring power to homes and businesses across London, the east and south-east of England. We don't sell electricity and we don't provide electricity meters. We're here to connect your new development to the electricity network. This includes new commercial, domestic or mixed-purpose projects, as well as renovation projects where the existing electricity supply may need to be upgraded. To do this, you'll need to liaise with our connections team. In this short video, we'll explain how to start this process. Before you apply, we can offer you advice through our Ask the Expert service. You can attend a connections surgery where you can talk about your requirements with us, and there is also access to technical information on our G81 design specification library. You can also check your site is in our area online. Once you know what you need, you're ready to apply. First of all, you'll need to make an application. Just fill in the form on our website. We'll ask for your contact details and information about the site, such as how much power your developments will need. You can work it out roughly yourself, or if you prefer, have a chat with mechanical or electrical consultant and they'll do it for you. Also, other considerations such as electric vehicle charging points, generation such as solar panels. Once you've sent us your application, we'll give you a unique reference number and assign a designer to the project. They'll get in touch to make sure we understand exactly what you need. Next, we'll check there's enough electricity in your local network for your project's requirements. If more is needed, we'll need to reinforce the network. But don't worry, we'll include all this information in your quote. The quote will also tell you if we have to cross private land or work on the public highway when we undertake the work. If the quote is accepted, we will arrange this on your behalf when the work is planned. Sometimes other customers might be planning work in the same area as your development. This will impact overall demand on the electricity network and mean you could be in a queue as capacity is released to customers on a first-come, first-served basis. We call this an interactive quote, and your designer will let you know if this applies to you. Your project may involve network improvements that benefit UK Power Networks and the electricity network in general. In these cases, we only quote for a proportion of the work we undertake. If we can utilise a network installed by a previous customer, we'll allocate some of the costs back to them. This is called the second comer rule and will also be shown on your quote. When the initial assessment has been completed, the designer will produce a quote within 25 to 30 working days. This will include contestable and non-contestable elements of work. While any accredited connections provider can carry out contestable elements of work, non-contestable elements of work can only be completed by us in our network area. Our designer will contact you a few days after you receive the quote, just in case you have any questions. When you've accepted the quote, we'll reserve the capacity for your development and contact you to talk about the delivery of your work. Don't forget to include your reference number when sending payment. Should your quote expire, we'll need to re-quote for the work if you still wish to proceed, as we will need to review the network again just to make sure capacity is still available. Finally, we'd love to receive feedback on your experience. Should we contact you, please participate. It only takes a minute and makes a big difference. Thank you.